everyone. So I washed my hair yesterday and I'm getting ready for the work week. So I thought it'd be fun if I share with you a little bit about my routine and how I get my Sisterlocks ready for the week. So since I have bangs, I still braid and band my bangs, which I probably will have to do indefinitely because they are always going to have loose ends. So that is something that I always have to make sure that I take care of. I'm going to unravel my bangs, as you can see. And I like to do my bangs this way because it gives me a little bit of volume in the front of my hair, even if I do wear my hair just straight for the week. And I have a lot of coverage that I can use up here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my bangs down. And it works for me a lot too because I wear hats, as I've mentioned, because of my alopecia. I wear hats whenever I am in the sun. So having a little bit of a fuller bang, just kind of braiding my bangs and leaving the rest straight kind of works for me. Gives me just a little bit of, definition to play with. So for the rest of my hair, usually as you saw, I sleep with my satin bonnet, but I have to make sure that I keep my hair nice and moist on a regular basis. Otherwise, a dry scalp makes my alopecia feel awful. I use the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, and I actually dilute it in a spray bottle so that I'm not putting it in a really strong concentration on my hair. So you can see it comes out in this fine mist so that I'm not kind of overwhelming my hair. And I actually spray this directly on my scalp, especially my more sensitive area, which gets even more sensitive if it's too dry. Once I can feel that I have sprayed it thoroughly throughout my scalp, I make sure that I get the length of my hair. And my hair is a 4C, so I have one of those hair types that naturally is a bit drier. So I don't really have a fear of over moisturizing. I'm sure it's possible, but it's never happened to me. So I don't really worry about that. So now that I've moisturized my hair and I have it feeling good, I seal in the moisture with oil. And so this is my favorite oil to use that I've been using faithfully for about a year. It's called the Pura D'Or Organic Rose Hip Oil. And this is like an all-for-one oil for me. I use it on my scalp, my face, my body, wherever I need it. And this bottle is completely empty. I don't think I have like a drop. Maybe I have a drop left in here. I had to go get a new bottle recently because that's how much I use it. So whenever I'm putting oil on my hair, I maybe take about 1 squirt, 2 squirts if my hair feels really dry. I rub my fingers together, and then I actually do massage the oil in my scalp first. I rub the rest down the length of my hair, and I scrunch just a little bit into my bangs. Since it's not wet, it won't unravel the definition that I have. So I do that on the regular. And I was so afraid at first, but that oil is very gentle and it does not irritate my scalp. Something that's been a favorite of mine to do since I got my locks is I'll take just a small section on the side and a long angle bobby pin and pin the top half back. And I like that because it kind of shows off the length of my hair and my earrings a little bit. I keep a stash of decorative hairpins, so if I want to put a little hairpin there, I do that. So I have kind of that little, side angle with my hair, which is something that I enjoy. And I am always wearing hats, as I said. So here's one of my favorite hats that I just got this year. So, I can still kind of have my hair pinned back on the side, but wear my hat at the same time. So this is me, this is my look. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Make sure to visit my Amazon storefront to see the products that I use. I'll be adding products every week. Thanks so much always, and have a great day. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Bye.